Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing a product that's been getting a lot of attention, the Nooro Grounding Mat. If you deal with foot pain, neuropathy, or poor circulation, you need to hear this. So this is the Nooro Grounding Mat. It's designed to improve blood circulation, reduce inflammation, and relieve nerve pain, all without medications or expensive treatments. Now, I was a bit skeptical at first, but after using it daily for about 30 minutes, I have to say, I'm really impressed. Setting it up is super easy. You just plug it into a grounded outlet, place your bare feet on the mat, and that's it. No complicated settings, no learning curve. Now, I personally struggle with occasional foot pain, especially after long hours on my feet. But after using this for a few weeks, I noticed a difference. Less tingling, less discomfort, and my feet actually feel lighter. And if you're wondering, yes, physical therapists actually recommend it for neuropathy and circulation issues. Compared to regular foot massages or painkillers, the Nooro mat is drug-free, long-lasting, and completely non-invasive. Plus, it's portable, so you can use it at your desk while watching TV or even before bed. So if you're tired of dealing with foot pain and want a natural, easy solution, I definitely recommend checking out the Nooro Grounding Mat. Click the link in the description to grab yours today. And before you go, if you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews like this. See you in the next one.